Year 1, welcome to Tuesday's Maths. So today we're thinking about comparing numbers within 50. Yesterday we thought about comparing groups of objects within 50. So before we move on to just the numbers, could you please have a go at this question, very similar to yesterday's one. So think about how many tens, how many ones. You don't need to write it down, you can just have a think about it, see if you can complete one of the comparisons or both the comparison statements, okay? So please pause the video now to do that. Well done, Year 1. So we've got 45 here and we've got 50 here. We know that 50 is more than 45 and 45 is less than 50. Brilliant. Okay, so what we're going to be doing today is very similar to what we did yesterday, but without the groups of objects to help us. So this one says, use the number track to complete the comparison sentences. So no symbols. In fact, yes, there is a symbol. We got one with a word and one with a symbol, okay? So the two numbers we're thinking about are 36, which you can see circled, and 39. 3 tens and 6 ones and 3 tens and 9 ones. So 36 is something than 39. So I want you to think about what word would I put in there, not what symbol, what word. 36 is less than 39, brilliant. And then what does the less than symbol look like? What part of the symbol needs to be facing this number? Good, okay, so the less than symbol, you know the smallest part when you say less than, you can see the smallest part is facing the smaller number and the biggest part is facing the bigger number. So 36 is less than 39, okay? So for this one, that's actually the same, but this time you've got two comparison statements. So exactly the same as yesterday, we had to swap them around, okay? So I want you to think about what word goes in here. You don't need to write this one down. And then I'd like you to write down the two comparison statements for these numbers, 29 and 32, okay? So please pause the video now to do that. Well done, Year 1. So 29 is what than 32? Have a look at it on my number line. 29 is less, well done, is less than 32. Okay, and then I want to put the numbers in so they make sense. So this one, I want something is more than something, something is less than something. So I need to have what number first? I need to have 32 is more than 29. Well done. And then I swap them around. I have 29 is less than 32. Great job. Well done, Year 1. So make sure you're spotting which symbol it is, because you might have been caught in the trap of just seeing those numbers and putting them in. And to make sure you look at the right symbols, this one was more than, so we have to swap the numbers around first of all. Great job. Okay, question 2. This time we've not got the first number, the first sentence to help us. So you're looking at the two circled numbers and putting them in here, okay? So something is more than something, and something is less than something, okay? So the two circled numbers. Pause the video now and have a go at that one. Good job, Year 1. So I've got the circled numbers are 19 and 28. Something is more than something. So what number is the biggest one? 28. So 28 is more than 19. Well done. And then I want to have something is less than something. So I swap them around. Good job. And I've got 19 is less than 28. Fantastic. Okay. Right, let's have a look at this one here. It says use the number grid to complete the comparison statements. So it's 3 different statements. Okay, so we're just going to think about one at a time. So I've got 12 is something than 21. Okay, so I'm going to find those numbers first of all. Here's 12, 1 10 and 2 ones, and 21 is here, 2 tens and 1 1. So those numbers are swapped around. Okay, so what symbol is going to go in between here? More than, less than, or equal to? 12 is, well done, less than 21. This is the bigger number, it comes after 12. It's got more tens, got 2 tens, and then got 1 10. So 12 is less than 21. Good, okay, the next one, I've got 38 and I've got the number in a word, 19. And there's 19. So 38 is what the 19? Have a think. What symbol am I going to use? More than or less than? Well done. 38 is more than 19, isn't it? 38 has got 3 10s, 19 has only got 1 10. Well done. Okay, and the last one, I've got the number 40. Find that on here. And then I've got a little number sentence for the other number. I've got it's 39 add 1. What is 1 more than 39? Well, here's 39. What would be 1 more? 40 again. So 40 is what? Then 39 add 1. Well, we know that 39 add 1 is also 40. So what symbol am I going to put in the middle? Well done. I'm going to put the equal to symbol in the middle, aren't I? Because 40 is equal to 39 and 40 because that's 40 as well. They're both exactly the same. Good job. Okay, so question 3. There are 4 this time. See if you can have a go at all 4 of those. You need to put the correct symbol in. Is it less than, more than, or equal to? Please pause the video now and have a go at that one. Super job, year 1. Okay, so let's have a look at them together. So 36 and 32. Well, I've used the symbol more than, haven't I? Because 36 is bigger than 32. 36 is more than 32. Well done. Next one, 48 and 24. Well, again, I know that 4 10s is bigger than 2 10s, don't I? So 48 is more than 24. This one I had a word, 16, and I've got the number 33. So 16 is less than 33. Well done if you got those 3 right. And this one, 2 10s and 3 1s is more than something. So for this one, you could choose quite a lot of numbers, okay? So what is 2 10s and 3 1s? Okay, so 2 10s and 3 1s is 23. So 23 is more than what? So you could have chosen a whole host of numbers. So if you chose any number, any of these green ones, any number less than 23, then you are correct. Okay, so it could have been all sorts. I'm going to put 14. 23 is more than 14. Okay, but it could have been any of the green numbers. So well done, year 1 for question 3. Done a great job there. So our math challenge today, reasoning question. We've got Matt says that the comparison here is correct. Is Matt correct? If not, how could he correct this mistake? Okay, so have a good think about that one for your reasoning. Done a great job today, year 1. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow to carry on our maths. Bye, everyone.